EZ Controller has a built-in package print creation function in the multi-purpose format creation tool. This allows for the creation of custom package print templates containing items such as multiples of wallets, 5x7s, or combinations of various print sizes. The optional multi-frame creation software is needed to print these packages. For this tutorial, we will demonstrate creating a package print containing 4 wallet-size prints and a 5x7, all printed on a 10x7 inch sheet of paper. To start, we will select the F button from the EZ Controller main display. Next, we will select the Tool button from this list of items. We can now select the Multi-Purpose Format Creation Software button. From this screen, select the Package Format button. In this display, we can create a new template, duplicate an existing template, or edit an existing template. For this demonstration, we will create a new template. Select the New button to continue. In this screen, we are able to define the overall size of our package template. We will select a width of 254 millimeters or 10 inches from the pull-down tab. We will then enter 178 millimeters or 7 inches for our advance. Border margins may also be added here, but we will leave our margins at 0. After these dimensions are entered, we will select the Next button. In the frame arrangement screen, we will set the dimensions of our first frame or wallet to 63.5 millimeters by 89 millimeters. You will notice that the letter A is currently in the vertical position. It is important that the letter A always be oriented in the horizontal position. To change the orientation of the letter A in the frame, we will select the Direction button, then select either the plus or minus 90 button. This will rotate the letter A in the frame 90 degrees to the correct orientation. To create our next wallet frame, we will select the Copy button. This will create a duplicate frame on top of our original frame. To move this duplicate frame into its correct position, we will enter 63.5 into its X position. We can now create our next frame. We can also click and drag the frame, but setting the X and Y positions is much more accurate. Once again, we will select the Copy button to create another duplicate frame on top of our original frame, and again we will have to move it into its correct position. To move this frame into its correct position, we will enter 89 into its Y position. We can now create the fourth wallet frame. Once again, we will select the Copy button to create a duplicate frame on top of our original frame, and again we will have to move this frame into its correct position. To move the fourth frame into its correct position, we will enter 63.5 into its X position and 89.0 into its Y position. We now have our 4 wallets in their proper positions. We can now add our 5x7 frame. To add our next frame, we will select the Copy button to create another duplicate. We will move this frame into its position by entering 127.0 into its X position. We can now resize this frame by entering 127 millimeters into its width and 178 millimeters into its height. We have now created our 5x7 with 4 wallets template. After reviewing our settings, select the Next button to continue. We can specify a name for a newly created package print template in this screen. For this demonstration, we will name our template 5x7-4 wallets. After naming the template, select the Complete button. Make sure to register the new template by selecting the Register button. The template is not available for use in EZ Controller until it has been registered. After registering, select the Back button to exit. Select the End button twice to exit to the main controller display. Using the same steps demonstrated, it would be easy to create other templates such as a 2-up wallet template on a 5x3.5 inch sheet of paper, or a 4-up wallet template on a 5x7 sheet of paper. Possibilities for custom templates are endless. Now that our new template has been created, we need to create a print channel that can utilize our new package print template. To create a package print channel, we will first select the F button from the main display, then select the Management tool. In this display, select the Print Channel button. This will bring up the Print Channel selection display. There are several tabs above the print channels. We will be selecting the Package Print tab. After selecting the Package tab, choose a package channel to set up. Once selected, click on the Setting button or double-click on the selected channel. In this display, we will select the print channel name and also the output selection for the printer and paper size. We will name this print channel 5x7-4 wallet. For demonstration purposes, our printer will be set to the QSS Green 4 with 10-inch paper. Once the print channel has been named and the output selected, we can select our newly created package print template. If the new template does not appear, use the scrolling arrow to locate it. After selecting the desired package print template, select the OK button to exit. Select the Back button and then the End button to exit. The new package print channel is now available for use under the Package Print tab. The ability to create and print custom package prints will add a new dimension to the products and services that can be offered.